Gee, guys. Our boat, it seems to have stopped in the middle of the road.
It's okay. I've watched Discovery before.
Oh my god! What if the shark comes? Can it smell the yesterday's beefsteak in my stomach?
What? Oh my god, the water is so cold! Don't touch me!
Calm down, Guy. No one has died on a deserted island yet. Have you watched Survivor?
Just changed the filming studio, beauties. Is my hair still as smooth as velvet?
Yeah. Let's swim in. The shore is only about 2 kilometers away. According to the law of speed, it should only take 30 minutes to swim. Okay. Our group did not plan to do this challenge. But the challenge found us. But it seems like the universe wants us to play. Now let's watch K-pop Demon Hunters and SAJA Boy join the real Survivor show. No one is reaching us. The phone has no signal. We need to reorganize.
Okay, I'll be the leader. Captain Jinu is on duty. Really?
Much later.
Oh, it took 31 minutes to swim in? My calculation was still very accurate.
1,000 years later.
Definitely the most beautiful tent ever.
But it won't have air conditioning, Rumi.
12 seconds later.
Not good. Maybe let's go find a hotel.
No need for tents. This place is too cool. Bring barbecue here, my friends.
Monster, someone please get it out of here.
Just blow, Mira? Not blow, but blow really hard, really fast.
1,000 years later.
Just blow really hard without a lighter, you two girls? He is not mystery. He is a magical man. Now I think we won't die here.
This must be the legendary man-eating plant, Jinu.
Of course it's a man-eating plant, Abby, but you should stay up and watch it tonight.
Meanwhile.
So beautiful. So aesthetic. And definitely very sweet, too.
Never eat beautiful things is the #1 rule of Survivor show, my friend.
1,000 years later.
Come on, beauties. Hurry up and receive this gift from Lord Jinu.
Mira and Baby, let's gather as many coconuts as possible. And I will be the counter.
12 seconds later.
Of course, friends. When you guys see this recording in social media, that means Rumi lead K-pop Demon Hunters win this challenge. This must be recorded.
Meanwhile.
That looks delicious. When did you learn to cook, Zoe?
That's magic. Taste it, Jinu. It must be called salted soup, huh, Zoe?
1,000 years later.
Don't rely on men. We found shelter tonight.
What?
Will we be able to escape from here? Like and subscribe for the next episode.